Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given OCQD is a major sector, center O, radius 9 cm, reflex angle 237 degrees, find the area. Okay, we are given the angle here, so this is simply, if I divide by 360 degrees, that will give me the proportion of this sector. And after that, all I have to do is to multiply by area of the circle, pi r square. And we've got the radius here. And so you will see the following, where I will have 237 degrees dividing by 360 multiplied by pi r square. R is 9. That will give me 168 cm square when rounded off to 3 significant figures. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.